Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing the first review of the BirthdAAy unboxing videos. So, the first model that we unboxed in that video was the Sun Country Airlines 737-800 from NG Models. So, let's start the review. Alrighty, so starting from the front of the box, we have the Sun Country logo, which is right here on the plane. We have the 3D generated picture of the plane, Boeing 737, Sun Country titles, NG model logo, the official Boeing licensing, the side, and the back, which is the same. And let's start the review on the plane. Alright, so starting with the review of this plane, starting from the nose, we have the cockpit windows, the nose landing gear, the front boarding door, and then we have this shade of light blue, and which has the Sun Country logo, which is seen on the tail. Then we have the Sun Country titles, the CFM56 engine, the exit doors on the wings. Then we have the Sun Country if it'll focus, there we have the Sun Country logo on the winglet. Then we have the registration, which is November 804 SY. The American flag, Boeing 737-800, and the back boarding door. Here we have the Sun Country title on the tail in a bright orange color. And then going to this side, we have the cockpit windows, the R1 boarding door, Sun Country titles with the light blue Sun Country logo, the exit on the wings, the registration, which is November 804 SY, and then we have the back boarding door. And of course, the beautiful Sun Country logo in the bright orange color. Alright everybody, so I would rate this plane as 9.7-ish out of 10. The only thing that I found wrong with this is that it tends to be a little bit tail heavy sometimes, as you can see, but that's not a big issue. NG Models did a great job on this plane. The 737 mold for NG is outstanding, and as rolling landing gears, I mean, I don't care if the landing gear rolls, but that's just like an extra detail that the NG Models actually did it and made it perfect, unlike Gemini Jet, which sometimes it does roll, but sometimes some of the landing gear is stuck. The coloring is amazing, the colors just pop. But yeah everybody, I hope you enjoyed this review, and fly safe.